Once the assessments are given to the students, we are able as teachers to pull up reports to see how the students do, and then we analyze that data. The reports are sent home to parents, so they're also aware of how the students performed, and then the data is then entered on what we call a data wall, which is something our entire school uses. Each grade level has their own data wall, and it's basically a giant spreadsheet where we store all of the information. So the scores from STAR Early Literacy, the assessment that we give to screen, those scores are stored on the data wall, and any other baseline assessments that we give at the beginning of the year, like our oral reading fluency, that is also kept on the data wall. And we use that to monitor the students and their progress all year long. Right after the students take the assessment, those reports can be generated. I look at the students overall. I mean, we are given parameters of how the students should be performing on these assessments. So I'm able to use those reports and automatically identify which students need intervention. So the school provides us with a performance target. We know that any of the students that score below the 10th percentile on the STAR Early Literacy Assessment will need what we call Tier 3 interventions, which are our most intensive interventions. Any students that score between the 11th and 49th percentile, we know will need the Tier 2 interventions, which provide that support. And then any students that score at the 50th percentile or above, we know those students are on target, working on grade level, and they should be successful during the school year. So whenever I review that data, I look for those students to see where they fall within those guidelines. So my team, we actually take a very unique approach to differentiating instruction. We have a program we call Walk and Read. So across the grade level, we group our students. So we get together and we analyze our data as a grade level. We bring all of our data to the table, we consolidate it into one document, and then we rank those students based on how they do on the STAR Early Literacy Assessment, and we also look at how they do on the beginning of the year oral reading fluency assessment, and we assign groups. So each teacher takes a different level that they work with, and students actually move to those different classrooms and they get instruction on their level. So we have data talks at our team meetings. We, of course, meet at the beginning to form our groups, but we also meet throughout the year to discuss any changes within our groups that are needed.